Good evening. Hello, 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 and welcome back to Dance Street. And this is a fun new game. This is the Farmers Replaced, which is all of this is Python coding. All of it is actual real Python. So this is gonna be fun. I know a little bit of Python, so maybe I can nosy my way through. So I'm excited to try this out. Yeah. So let's just get into this. So I think actually, funny enough, I think Benny kind of brought this game to my attention a few months ago, and I was like, whatever. And then like recently, I kind of like it came to my attention again. And I was like, maybe I do want to play it. So that's what happened, and now we're here. So let's start. I don't really actually know much about this game. So this window contains information from everything in the game. You can move windows around by dragging and dropping the gray part of the window. Okay, like a window. You can move... Okay, to get started with the program, go to the first program page by clicking it. Oh. Okay. Oh! Wow. Oh. Well. Be sure to check the buttons at the top right of the corner of the screen. Hover over them to see tooltips explain what to do, and most open... Okay. Okay, first program. All programming is done in code windows. Each code window corresponds to a text file containing code. You can rename the file by clicking on its name at the top of the window. Oh, you know what I'm going to do? Just so you can see what's there. Okay. The code can be edited like any text editor as long as it's not running. You can execute the code directly by pressing the green... Okay. You can create more code files using the plus button in the top right of the corner. Ah, cool. Okay, so we can make new windows. You can dock a window to another by dragging it onto it. Did that work? Wait. Maybe it has to be one of these windows? Oh yeah, there we go. Interesting. So like if this is my main function. Okay. I don't need this right yet. Okay. Don't worry, this is your first time programming. The language is unlocked step by step. Oh, so I don't have all my language. Oh, interesting. That is interesting. So you won't be overwhelmed by all the things you could do. The syntax is very similar to that of Python. Yeah. Which is one of the most widely used programming languages in the world, so learning it's not completely wasted. That's fun. If you already know Python, it's not a problem either. You'll just be able to skip the early game quickly and get more interesting stuff. Currently, there are 2 drone commands available. Harvest and do a flip. What? Do a flip? How do I do that? These are functions you call, and the function command execute. You execute them using the parentheses. Try typing these statements in the code window and pressing the execute button. So I want to do a flip. Oh, I have to... Ah, yes, I need the parentheses, of course. Execute one step of the code. Oh, that's so fun. Okay. Yeah, hello world, do a flip. That's great. Okay. And harvest. Ah, I always... Okay. Is it F5 by chance? It is. It's F5. Okay. Okay, it's F5. Okay. So I have like a little hard-coded kind of drone thing here. Am I able to... Oh, yes. I would like to make it so... Yeah. Yeah. It's a little more central. Yes. Maybe. There we go. Okay, this is fun. This just feels like I'm playing a game in like an IDE. Oh, hey. I obtained by cutting grass. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait. Can I rename this? How do I rename this? Command. Okay, so we literally have a Charlie command whenever we need it. So it's like, hey, we need a little bit of Charlie. Perfect. But this is the main one we're going to be working with. I'll put Charlie Command. I'll put it down here for now. God damn it. Just let me... Okay. We'll put it there. That's a good idea, though. Alright, these are functions. You execute using the parentheses. Try typing. Okay. You can think of your code as a sequence of statements. Okay, so it's like hard coding. So I can harvest, do a flip, then harvest. Okay, let's try that. Ah, can I loop this? Collecting grass will give you hay. Hay can be used to unlock loops. Ah, perfect. In the unlock menu, open the unlock menu with the button on the top right corner. Oh, while loops. Ah, unlocks the simple while loop. Okay. Oh, fun. Okay, so let's get rid of you now that this is here. Okay, the while loop. Ah, this is fun. This is literally just teaching you like programming. What the hell? That's so fun. Okay. Trying to make it. There we are. Okay. You have unlocked the while loop, and the value is true and false. The while loop keeps executing the loop body as long as the condition is true. Perfect. So shouldn't I just do something like... Okay, I don't need this then. Okay. So it says like, while true. I think these have to be indented, because Python's all about indentation. So if this is the case, it'll do one harvest, one flip, and then harvest and flip. Perfect! Alright. So that guy's gonna be harvesting for us. But anyways, let's just keep reading about the while loops while we're here. This is fun. This is getting, I mean, I know it's later at night and stuff, but this is getting my brain kind of just going. So don't worry about creating infinite loops. The delay in execution will prevent the program from freezing. Ah, excellent. Okay. Perhaps you've already tried to put several harvests in a row. No, I didn't, but I knew that was like gonna probably be like an issue, so I didn't. This allows you to harvest several times in one program. However, it'll be nice to harvest more than 3 times, and writing the same code multiple times is bad practice. True. The solution is a loop. A loop allows you to run the same code multiple times. The while loop takes a condition. While is logical value that can only be in one of 2 states, true or false. Such a value is called a Boolean value. The loop then executes the code inside the loop until the condition is false. Well, the while loop looks like this. Yeah. Well, the condition, well, it's true, then it does these commands. Yeah. Where you have to replace condition with the Boolean value of the loop body, or whatever you want to be in the loop. There are 2 constant Boolean values available. Constants are values that never change during the program. To create the constant, yeah, okay. So you could either write while false do a flip, or while true do a flip. Well, I did this. The first will never do a flip, and the second will do flips forever. Normally creating infinite loops is a bad idea, and it will freeze the program, but this game delays between each iteration of the loop, so it can cause a drone to keep doing flips until you manually stop it by pressing the execute button again. But why would I do that? It's harvesting me hay. So, it's fun. I can do the reading while I'm doing this. Okay. Notice how the lines and the colons are indented. Yeah, indentation like this is used to separate blocks of code. Just press tab in the indentation, and shift tab or backspace to remove it. The loop will repeat indentation. Okay, perfect. Pet the piggy? Pet the piggy's in action and is not affected by speed upgrades. Huh. Let's pet a piggy. Pet. But what happens when I pet the piggy? Oh! The drone literally goes out and pets him. Oh, that's so fun. That's so fun. Okay. All right, back to harvesting. Well, this is just gonna be like my test thing. I'm gonna let this always run. Well, you know what? I'll leave this to be like my test window. Well, this will be my production. So this will just be like test stuff. All right. Interesting. Ooh, I can get upgrades. Oh, hat. Speed. Okay. So it goes faster. That's kind of nice. Wait, I have a ton of money. I can do that. Increase the yield of grass. Ooh. Actually, I think I might save up. Wait, if I get speed... Okay, I got a speed upgrade. That seems to be doubled. The problem is that the drone now harvests faster than the grass can grow, resulting in no harvest at all. To deal with this... Okay, well, let's close this. Move our window back over here. There you go. Okay. The execution speed's been doubled. The problem... Okay, so it goes too quick. To deal with this, if branches and the can harvest functions are now unlocked. Oh, interesting. How does this work? So, the true and false condition, which is of course not useful with if. Okay. The new function, can harvest, provides a better condition. Can harvest returns true if the plant under the drone can be harvested and false otherwise. Okay, so if can harvest, do something. The reason this can be used as a function like this is because it returns Boolean values. Ah, okay, that makes sense. A return value essentially means that the functionality is executed. The function calls the expression, evaluates the return value. Okay, so what happens when the above... So if can runs, can harvest is called. Can harvest does its thing. It returns its value. The statement is now if true or if false. The code block is executed and can harvest. Okay. So let me do some test stuff here. So it's like if true or wait. No, it should be if can harvest equals true, right? True. Then it's like this should actually be outside then, right? So maybe I should just like can harvest happens, and then if that is true, then harvest, right? And then should I have an else statement? It doesn't say anything about else's. Else, I'm just gonna throw an else in there anyways. Else, do a flip, right? Okay, let's pause this. Let's not stop this guy and let's see if this works. Does this work? So it checks if we can harvest it. Ah, an error. Unlocked operators must be unlocked before it can be used. Oh, it's because I'm comparing? Oh, I haven't unlocked the equal. Okay. Okay, how about this? Is this better? Like, if can harvest, else do a flip. I don't know. What if I... Do I have to put a while with this? Like, while true? Let's try this. Yeah, that looks right. So it seems to be... I'm not sure if it's harvesting then doing a flip or if it's actually... Is this... I don't know if this is right. It looks like it's working, but I'm not 100% sure. Like, cause like, is this the same? Cause that looks the same. I think this has to be can harvest. Right? Because it's like, well, can harvest, and then it'll see if it's true, and if it's not. Hmm. I mean, it's working, but it's not working how I want it. I think is this right? Am I just being stupid right now? Because this seems right, right? I think this is right. Like using the I think I am. So is if runs is called, it does its thing, which is harvest. So I guess if it's true, it does it, and if it's false, it... Okay, wait. Let's step by step this. Okay, well, true. Can it harvest? It harvests. Well, true. Can it harvest? It doesn't. Wait. It just flips between them. It doesn't seem to... I'm not sure if it has to do with the... Is it just alternating between? Huh. What happens by harvest? Yeah, okay, see, this isn't doing anything. It's not really checking anything, is it? Okay, let me see. I must be doing something wrong, because it's... I think it might be well can harvest. Hmm. Do I have to put the can harvest in front? Like, if it can harvest, it should give it true, then it'll say, well, true. I don't know. I think I'm overcomplicating it. I think I was right before. Wait, maybe I went too far. Because this... I'm not sure. It's working. Anyways, let's get other upgrades. More upgrades. Oh, I can expand my lot? Ooh, it grew. Okay. Oh, wow. Now I have 3. Okay, this is fun. So your farm has grown. The space is not much use if you can't move the drone, so there's a new function called move. Okay, so I have a move. Move the drone requires you to specify the direction in which you want the drone to move. There are 4 new directions: north, south, east, west. Okay. For example, move north will move the drone 1 square to the north. Move over the edge of the farm, the drone will move to the other side of the farm. Oh, okay. So I can just make it go up forever and it'll just keep looping? For example, the code will keep moving the drone north and wrap back to the start when it reaches the edge of the farm. Oh, that's handy. While true, move north. Okay. So, while true, move north. Let's try this out. Okay. Ooh. Stop that. Okay. Wait. I shouldn't have deleted all that stuff. Yeah, okay. If harvest, then move north. Right? Ah, fun. This is working. Perfect. Okay, I like this. So this one looks good, and I'm going to make it go here. So that's going to go straight to my main now. So I'm going to let that run. Well, we have that. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so we can just keep harvesting 3 now instead of having to wait. Okay. Ooh. Hats. Ah, yes. Yield morph grass. So I'm getting twice as much now. And... oh, I need wood? Right-click for more... how do I get more wood? Ooh. Where do I get wood from? Unlock cost is 20 wood. Everything costs wood. Unlock planting. Okay. Oh, this must be the wood. Okay, excellent. So, grass is nice because it grows automatically. All other plants have to be planted with the plant function. The only plant you can plant right now is a bush. You can pass the type of plant you want to plant in the function like plant entities bush. This will plant a bush under the drone. Call clear to reset all farm to grass and reset the drone position. It seems that you grow more than one type of plant on the farm at the same time. You can sometimes get higher yield. You'll need to research polyculture to learn more. Interesting. Okay. Okay. So plant bush. I'm just gonna. So it'll be like clear. So that'll bring it back. Then it'll plant entities dot bush. Move north? Right? Okay. Wait, okay, I can actually do this. So I can probably like add a while here. While true. Right? So let's first actually... so we'll harvest. Oh wait. Ah, here we go. Actually, we can just like steal some of this. Well, I'm just gonna retype it. Whatever. So if can harvest. So plant the entity. No, but I want harvest. Plant an entity, then move north. And then else, let's just say... let's do a flip for now. Just to see where we're wrong. Okay, so... stop this. So let's try this. Ah! Perfect! Is it working? Am I getting wood? This makes sense though, right? Yeah. Oh, this is so good! It actually waits too, look it! Ah, this is great. I kind of want to save this one as its own thing. So I'm going to make this one, I'm going to call this one, I'm going to call this wood. I'm just going to call this wood. Maker. Woodmaker. This is going to be Woodmaker for now. Okay. Because I want to keep my test one. Charlie Command, you're in the way. Get out of here. Woodmaker. Okay, so perfect. So this will give me wood. And what happens if I... okay, stop this for a second. This one just gets me grass. Okay. So I could make another one here, call this as Grass Maker. Or Haymaker. Haymaker? That's a punch. When you just kind of like go all out. Okay. perfect. We can make them nice and small. Okay. So for now, I would like to, my main guy. This is just the one that I'm just going to be using for now. Okay. Excellent. Okay, so let's see. Can I upgrade my new wood stuff? Oh, print statements. Carrots? I feel like I should upgrade, like, the speed and stuff first. Oh, I need carrots. Okay. Oh, I can expand even more? Oh, I can become a 3x3? Wow, 3x3. Going from 3, that's 9. That's quite a big jump. Okay, let's read what this is. Expands 2, Electric Boogaloo. Oh, whoa, look at how freaking big. We're an actual, like, 4x4 grid. Whoa! Or 3x3 grid, what am I saying? But that's awesome. Alright, so I need to add some other thing here so I can move. Because I'm only going one row. I'm gonna let it go, but this is only... let me... Woodmaker. These are only 1x3, so I'm just gonna... I'm gonna make sure I know that, so in the future when I augment them, it'll be better. Okay. So, your farm is expanded again. Now the tiles are no longer in a nice row. You need to find a way to traverse a square grid. Okay, that's what I'm trying to figure out. Well, the while loop is... This is not possible until you unlock senses and operators. It is time to introduce the for loop. Oh, here we go, for loop. You can read all about the for loop in the for loop page, which I will. But for now, you only need to repeat code a fixed number of times. So, for I in range 5, do flip. Okay, range n is the range of numbers from 0 to n-1, okay, which the n elements in it. And for the loop, it runs the loop body once for every element in the sequence. For example, do a flip, it will be called 5 times. The function gets worlds... Okay, the function get world side is also available. It returns the side length of your farm. This, you can write code that won't break with the next expanded upgrade. Okay, for I in range, this... For example, this harvests one column of the farm for any farm size. Okay. If you're stuck and trying to figure out how to move the drone around the farm, see the hint below. Sure, I'll just see the hint because I just want to save me time. There are, of course, several ways to move the drone around. What we're looking for is a way to traverse it in a systematic way that won't break the farm or grow again. A systematic way to get every place on the farm would be to repeat the following 2 steps forever. Move north until it wraps back and move east. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Okay. So for I and this, may be helpful to turn the ID in code. So for the range of this... Ah, interesting, I see. This is literally just a nested for loop. Okay. Okay. Interesting. How can I... Okay, so I want to... Okay, so I'm going to go back to the test stuff here. So I want to switch this to a for loop. I don't know, actually. So it'll be like for I in range... what was the command again they called it? Get world? Get world size. Right? And then for J in range. It should be like the same. Get world size. Because it's a square, right? I'm kind of curious what they did. Okay. Yeah, I don't want to do a flip though. So I think at the beginning, so I don't need a while loop for this, which is good. So that means I can clear here initially. It'll go through, and then I think what I want to do is actually put this in here again. So like put this if statement here. Okay. So let's pause this for now. Let's see if this works. Oh. No, this should be right. I think I'm missing this. So for this, and then this and this, it's missing a colon. Okay, so this... Yeah, this looks right. Okay, so clears it. Hey. Okay. Interesting. It didn't exactly do what I thought it would. Now let's see. Why didn't it keep going? Okay. This looks like it's working. It's like getting me a bunch of bushes over the whole thing. And it kind of makes sense. So I guess J is the y-axis, and I is the I was gonna say Z, but this is actually the x-axis. So what happens is it goes up here, and then once it, yeah, it hits here once it reaches the other end. Okay, so this is working. I like this. I am gonna upgrade this to be my wood maker. And this is gonna be now a 3x3 wood maker. Okay. And then my haymaker should be the same, except I just... I think I get rid of the plant. Like, I literally just do this. And I think that works. Okay, pause this. Wait, what are you doing? I wanted this one to work. Hey, why aren't you moving into... Why is this one not working? Why is this one never going east? It's because it can harvest every time. Okay. This one is because the grass is actually growing so fast. So for now, we're just going to let this one run, because I want this one to keep making me bush or making me logs while I peruse other things. All right, this is fun. We're kind of getting there. Eh? This is great. Oh, I need carrots. This is fun. This is actual coding. Okay. Oh, I can use operations. Ah, this is fun. Okay. How will this assist me? I don't know how this will help me in this case, but I know operators will be useful later. So arithmetic, comparison operators, and Boolean operators. All numbers in the game are floating point numbers, so all arithmetic operators are floating points. Okay. This is defined to just floor the number after the division. Ah, okay. For assignment operation, you need to unlock the variable. Okay, I don't have that yet. Operators allow you to compare, modify, and combine values. They're arithmetic operators, plus, minus, divide, all that jazz, are used to perform common mathematical operations on numbers, and comparison operators are used to compare values. The result is always either true or false. The logic operators are so-called booleans, not and or, are used to combine the truth. This is fun. Okay, so arithmetic, yeah. Basic math, plus and minus equals things. Yes. Okay. Ah, okay, so this rounds. Okay, that's fine. is the modulus, okay, also known as the remainder operator. It essentially divides the two numbers and then returns the remainder. You can also think of it as repeatedly subtracting the right number from the left number until the remainder is less than the right number. Ah, this is fun. This is how you actually do Boolean, convert things from decimal to Boolean. Power operators, okay. Comparison operators are used to check if two values are equal or not equal, and they can be used on all type of values. So 2 plus equals 2 evaluates true. Entity Bush is not Bush evaluates to false. 3 is not 3 plus 1 evaluates to true. Okay. Sure, okay. So equal then, so 1 is less than or equal to this, true, false. Okay, yeah, logic operator. Not simply invert the value. So not false evaluates true, true. Okay, yeah. True, true evaluates to true. True, false equals false, but false, false is actually false. Or evaluates true. Okay, so we got a bunch of those. That's kind of cool. That doesn't really help me a whole bunch here. Because my thing's still doing its thing, so. Yield a bit more grass. I don't know why this one... I'm just doing it because I'm getting more hay, is why. Though I don't really need hay. Oh, I can unlock carrots. Excellent. Okay. I now have carrots. So, let's read what they're about. So, before you can plant carrots, you have to till the soil. This will change the ground to ground soil. To till the soil, simply call till. Calling till again will change the ground back to ground. Grasslands. Okay. Planting carrots cost wood and hay. These items will be automatically removed when you plant carrots. You can see the costs on its own page. Oh, interesting. Okay. It costs 1 each. Okay. Interesting. Well, let's get my... You're gonna be my main guy. We'll stop you for now. We'll let my main guy go, and then we'll test some carrots. Okay, so... Ooh, where'd my carrot thing go? Okay. This game's actually really fun. It's kind of rewarding to solve this. So before you can plant. So... Go this all out of here. So let's just stop this for now. I just wanna... Oh wait, I have to till, so... Okay. Okay, and then... I should plant carrot. Oh, well, that's not good. Okay, so this should be like till, plant carrot. And I'm just making it so just move north. Let's I'm just gonna try this out for one. I probably don't even need to clear. Okay. So that works. So this seems to me we need to get one of these bad boys in there. Actually, couldn't I just steal this whole thing? Here. And then all I have to do... I should write... till... Or wait. So I should put this here. Till. Plant. Carrot. Okay, let's try this out. Yeah, okay, we got a carrot maker. We just had to add that little bit of till in there. Hell yeah. Oh yeah, it's working. It like it goes back and gets them. It's that first one that's a little bit weird. I don't know why it does that. Let me stop that out. Why does it? Okay, let me see. Step by step. So clear it. While true, for this in range, and this in range, so it's fine. Can we harvest? Move east. Why does it do that? Why does it say we can't harvest it? I think it has, I'm like looking at it now. I think it has something to do with this. Because it's saying it wants to get to the range being the max. Let me see. So. So it's like, should I have, now that I have the comparison operator, I is less than or equal to, maybe? Will this make it better? And this will be like J is less than or equal to. No. It's just that first bit. I don't understand why it moves over. Well, this is kind of working now as a carrot maker. So, I am gonna... Oh, what's this? Okay. I want to make a new one. Call this carrot maker. And I'll let that run for now. Well, I kind of think I want to... Well, let's see what other things. Oh, print statement. Ah, this is nice, having a print statement. For debugging. Perfect. Sometimes your code doesn't work out and you need to find out why. That's exactly what I'm doing. There are a couple of tools to help you with that. The first is to execute the program step by step. You can go, yeah, that's what I was doing. Breakpoints can be added by clicking on the breakpoint panel and the thing. Oh. I didn't know that. When execution reaches the line where the breakpoint is, it will automatically switch to step-by-step mode. When you move your mouse over a variable, its current value is displayed. Huh. Okay. Interesting. Okay, so when the execution reaches the line where the breakpoint is, it'll automatically, when you move your mouse over a variable, its current value will be displayed. The print function can also be very useful and write any value passed directly into the air. Example, print this, okay. Ah, yes, this is good. Position X and Y. Oh, interesting. You can get your actual positions. Function. Into the air and into the output page. Quick print, okay. Okay, interesting. So the carrot maker's going. I am kind of curious about this print get pose X. haven't unlocked it yet. Ah, okay. That's because the game told me that, so I was like, oh, interesting. I thought I did unlock it. Okay, Well, I'm kind of just curious of just, like, how to kind of move this guy out. Like, this get worlds. Oh, I'm out of wood. Okay, that's fine. Get the woodmaker going. I wonder if I could make it so, like, each row, so, like... So in range... Out of curiosity, I'm just gonna say print. Let me go back. Get world size. Okay, let's pause this for a second. Wait, what? World size is 3? Print the range of the world size. Whoa. Ah, so fun. Okay. We don't have length. Okay. So get world size is 3. I'm just trying to think of like what I wanna do here with the code that I have in front of me. So let's keep looking at things that I wanna upgrade. Oh, I got a bunch of carrots. I can upgrade this. Yeah, they're even faster now. Okay. Oh, I can expand again, so I can be 4x4. Ooh, okay, this is interesting. Ah, now that I'm 4x4, does my stuff still go work by... Oh, hell yeah, it does. Nice. These are X by X. X by X isn't good. I'm going to call that length by width. That's better. Okay. All right. How do I get sensors? Oh, I can unlock trees. Watering. I could probably expand again if I want to a 6x6. Wow. Wow, I need 500 carrots. Okay. So I need a way to make carrots and wood at the same time. So I'm gonna make this one's gonna be made for carrots and wood. Okay. So let's look at my woodmaker that's just going right now. I'm going to steal most of it so I can play with it in this next one. Oh, I got a new hat! Okay. So this should still work. Trying to think. How can I alternate between two different things? Because I want to get wood and carrots. I could hard code it, but I don't want to. I'm trying to think. I think I need to define I and J. Like, be like, I equals 0. And then J equals 0. Right off the bat here. And then I can do the... If can harvest and I is less or is less than get world size, then this should go. Okay, I'm just curious if this works. I can't use variables? God damn it. Okay, hypothetically, if I get rid of that, does it still work? Okay. Here's an idea. If I is less than 1, and then I'm going to do an elif statement here. Check this out. So, elif I is less than or equal to 1, which is less than or equal to 2, 3. Yes. Then I basically just recopy this. Except with carrots. Oh, I see. I see. This has to have the can harvest. And there we go. Wait. I see. Till. There we go. Let's see if this works. Okay, we're getting some carrots. It's working weird, though. Whoa, this is... I mean, it's... It's kind of working. In a... Okay, this is weirdly working, though. This isn't working as intended. And I know what's happening is that the till is happening here. We should only have it tilling on the ones. Okay, so this has some sort of kind of truth to this bit, but this is definitely not good. So let me see. Okay. Actually, I want this to be J is the thing, right? This is kind of working for what I need, but not perfectly. So I gotta think a little bit. I want it to go like, I want it to make like lines, right? Okay. Let me look at my wood maker here. Why do you work so well? Okay. So you're doing pretty good. Let me think. So this guy... Oh. Okay, carrot and wood. Trying to think. I don't know if the if can harvest matters that much. I might... I'm just thinking. If you guys got any suggestions, do tell. This is kind of fun. It's like this is actually literally just like fun little programming. Okay. Take this. Okay, I'm gonna try something here. Okay. This vaguely works, but I don't like it. So I'm gonna try. This is gonna be a new just. Wait. Yeah, leave that one there for now. We'll go to my test stuff. Okay. So I want it. Maybe I'll get rid of this. Okay, stop this for now. So the can harvest is passing the true. Okay. So now I wanna make this so it moves to. I want to be able to control exactly my rows now. So I'm thinking. Okay, so if harvest, I think and I is less than 1. Okay. How can I make it move east? See, this should be I is equal to 3 though. See, this bit here, like when I'm actually trying to get the positioning, that seems to be the issue. So both of these have to be true for it to go. Okay, out of curiosity. This, okay, is this less than or equal to? So it'll only be these two? Okay, out of curiosity, maybe is it not started the right thing? Okay, I just wanted to move over 1. I think the can harvest and really does help here though. Oh, forgot the parentheses. See, it shouldn't be planting here. What? Why is I... Why is it... Why is it that? I thought I had to do with... Interesting. I don't fully understand why these numbers are like that. Also, look at this guy. I isn't the position. That's why. I realize. I realize now. I need those sensors. Where are those sensors that they said? How do I get those? Ooh, variables. Yes, please. Oh, thank goodness. Okay, now that we got some variables, this might be good. Okay, well, this is going. I'll let this go. Decided to do its thing while I read the other thing. Okay. So variables can be thought of as name containers that hold a value. The equal operators declare a variable. Okay, I was already trying to do this. The left-hand side of the operator is the variable name. You can give it that any name you want. The right-hand side is an expression whose resulting value will be stored as a variable. Declare variable name is A, stored as 5. Declare variable name is B, stored as this. Do not confuse operator and this operator. This checks whether the values are equal and returns true or false. This one assigns the value and gives it a name. Okay. After the variable has been assigned, you can use the code to retrieve the value it contains. Okay. For I and range this, so range this would be 5. For I in the loop is a variable automatically assigned the current value of the sequence. Ah, the current value of the sequence, I see. Doesn't seem I's value. Okay. Variables also let you do the same things with a while loop. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. So, I think I can alter this. I'll let that go while it's doing, but I think I can alter this to... Okay, so if I go I equals 0 and J equals 0... let's get rid of this for now. Okay, it's kind of skipping this, which is fine. Okay, and... Why is my eye like that? Ah, you know what? Because I shouldn't be using I and J. Those are just those like stupid variables. Okay, let me think here. Maybe just use the old classic X and Y here. All right. For now, for now. Okay. I need like an X plus plus here. Right? Like this, maybe? I don't know. This doesn't seem to be doing it. And I'm gonna have to ban this guy myself because that damn Jared isn't. Damn Jared. Too busy lollygagging. Yeah, I'm gonna start right from scratch now. I'm thinking of it. So it'll be like clear. So Mario Karting, yeah. For I in range get world size, so it's always there. Let's just say, so if can harvest is true, then just move north. Okay. Oh, census. Yes. Okay, actually, this is going to probably help me out a lot here. Oh, the get positions? Oh, yes. Okay, this is exactly what we needed. I was just like, this is so hard without being able to know my position. Like, I'm trying to think. But now that I got this, this should help us out quite a bit here. All right. So, the drone can see now. The function get position in this returns the current position. Oh, this is great. Okay, that's what I was trying to get in here. Positions. But I was trying to do it with, like, the range and being like, once I'm at this step of the iteration, could I go up that row? But this might make it much easier. Okay. So, at the start point, they're both 0. X position increases 1 tile east, and Y increases north. So this is going to be 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. And this is 0. Okay. Returns how many items you have. For example, hay returns how much hay you have. Oh, interesting. That's interesting. So I could use this to make it so if I have so much hay, it'll start planting the next thing. Ah. Actually, I can, if that's the case, get entity type and get ground type. Oh, get type. Okay, this is good. So I can find something that if it's like, if it's tilled, then I can plant a seed. Right? Okay. Do a flip if you're a bush. If none keywords are unlocked now, none is a value that represents that there is no value. For example, there's a function that has no return statement, will actually return none. Get entity type now returns none if there's no entity under the drone. If you want to find out about a particular unlock, you have to use the num unlocked, okay? For example, num unlock speed will tell you number of speed upgrades you have. Num unlock senses will return 1 if you unlocked it. Num unlock senses will return 1 if you unlocked and 0 if they're not. And you can num unlock each item. Num unlock carrots will return the number of times it was unlocked upgraded. Oh, interesting. Huh. Okay. The real big thing here is these get positions. Okay. Okay. I might be able to, okay, let me, here we go. This is it. Now, this is better. And position, or what's it called? And get position X is okay. So 0 and 1. So if it's less than 2, and if 2 is less than get position X, This is just kind of like a tester, but let's see if it works. Yeah! Oh, no. Oh, it doesn't, and it avoids position too. Okay, we're kind of getting there. So this is going to be less than or equal to. So it'll include both. Okay, so we do got the carrots, but the unfortunate thing is it will till every time. So we have to we got to get another function here for like if tilled. Okay. So this is kind of working, but we need like in here. So like if what is it? Get ground type. Get ground type equals till. A nested if in an if statement? I don't know about this, but I'm going to try it. This might not be the best practice, but whatever. Okay, does this work? Oh, it says plants. Wait, okay. Okay, what's happening here? Is this better? Wait, how do I make it to see if it's till? No. Would it be... I don't know how get the ground type works. I think it might be entity type, maybe? Huh. I don't know. I don't think having a nested if is good, so I'm gonna try to get rid of it. Like, I know this isn't perfect, but from here we can work on it. And in a kind of weird way, this doubles up and at least gets me some wheat. I mean, this gets me everything. It's just that I don't want it to, like, keep re-tilling and untilling. That's the issue. So at least we do got it half and half now with the positions. That's fun. I'm just thinking. Thinking to myself, what could I do? We can get lists. Ooh, definitions. That's handy. Census is good. Variables. We can get timers and stuff. That's kind of cool. I want to keep upgrading my speed and stuff, though. Oh, I can expand. Whoa, I can get pumpkins? How do I get pumpkins? 200. Ah, I unlock trees. Trees are a better way to get wood than bushes. They give you 5 wood, like the bush, but they plant it on grass or soil. Ah, interesting. Okay. Trees like to have some space. Planting them right next to each other will slow down the growth. The growth time is doubled for each tree that is tiled directly on the north or east and west or south of it. So you plant a tree on every tile, they will take 2 to do 16 times longer. Okay. The modulus operator can be useful here. Remember that this operator returns the remainder of the division. Even numbers divided by 2 have a remainder of 0, and odd numbers divided by 2 have a remainder of 1. Okay. So if you can check if a number is even like this. If it's true, then if it's false, it's not. Ah, okay. So I should make a definition. I still wanna make this better. What do you think, Jared? There we go. Stop. You know what? I'm gonna switch this to be get world size. Divide that by 2. Yeah. Actually, you know what I could do? I can actually define that here. I'm gonna call this do I have X and Y already? I'm gonna call this Z equals this, okay? So then I'm gonna make this Z and this Z. Okay, so it's always going to be half. Perfect, okay. I just have to figure out now how to make it detect the thing and do it. Yeah. Well, no, this is fun. Like, we're learning at the same time, right? I've been reading it, so I'm trying to do this at the same time. So this is all just essentially like using the logic, because like they don't give you the full Python. Like you have to use what you unlock. This is fun. It is. It uses like real Python. I should move myself over here, or actually I should move it so I'll have my coding stuff over here, so it's not under my face. That's better. Okay. So now I need it. It's here. You know what I could do? I just realized. I can just make another elif. Check this out. How do I use that ground, check the ground again? Where's the senses? Okay. And ground. Ah, I hate how small these little windows are. What's not equals again? Operators. Where are the operators? Yeah, exclamation mark. Okay. Why? What? It's because it's harvesting. This isn't good. It's just tilling. Okay. Okay, this is working what I wanted. Okay, now this is going to be the part coming up here. Let's see if this catches it. Not quite. Interesting. I'm just trying to... Wait a second. Wait, okay. I want to just make like a manual window to... There's a quick random manual window here. It's like... Move east. Okay. So what happens if I harvest just this? Okay, the ground's tilled. Okay. I want to make the right sequence, because clearly I'm doing something wrong here. So harvest. Then it's like plant. Then... Okay. Okay, harvest plant move. Harvest plant move. So, harvest plant move. How do I check? Okay. Just out of curiosity. Okay, let's see. Ground is soil. Okay, so the ground is soil when it's tilled. Okay. This... What was that? Okay. So if it's not soil, it should till it. So, no, it should, okay, it should harvest, then till, then plant, then move. Okay. This is looking good. This is looking good. This is looking really good. Please, please work. Yes! 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 It doesn't override the tilling! Oh, joy. Ah, this is good. Okay. I'm gonna have to... This one's working. I'm gonna call this... I'm gonna name this one half and half. Okay. And onto the pile with ye. Okay. So that's really exciting. So now... Okay, so it's like all I had to do with the groundswell there. This is very exciting. Holy crap, that was so much fun. All right, well... Ah, geez, I kind of want to keep going, but it's getting kind of late. I love that this main function here, like, is not even used. It's just like my testing is the thing now. I guess I could just throw it in here and let that run then. It is very exciting that it does that. I wish it would start at the beginning, but whatever. Like, I don't understand why it starts in the middle, but it does. But after it gets going, it works, so I'm happy with it. Alright, let's see what other things I can get. More speed, sure. Pumpkins? Okay. Wow, look at how good that is. I'm just trying to think. Because I can essentially, now that I have positions, I can coordinate it to be any pattern I want. Let me see. Oh, I should get definitions. Okay. Oh, I can make functions? Oh, I got a carrot hat. Oh, let's unlock pumpkins. Yeah. All right, let's see what the pumpkin's about. So pumpkins grow like carrots in tilled soil. Planting them costs carrots. Oh, you have to use carrots to get pumpkins. Interesting. When the pumpkins in a square are fully grown, they grow together to form a giant pumpkin. Unfortunately, pumpkins have a 20% chance of dying once they are fully grown, so you need to replant the dead ones if you wanted them to merge. When a pumpkin dies, it leaves behind a dead pumpkin that won't drop anything when harvested. Planting a new plant in its place automatically removes the dead pumpkin, so there's no need to harvest it. Can harvest always returns false on dead pumpkins. Okay. Yielding a giant pumpkin depends on the size of the pumpkin. N by N times 6. Interesting. Huh. So I can make pumpkins now. Do I need pumpkins to unlock new things? I'm sure I do, but not yet. Actually, I need more carrots than anything. Actually, they were saying that trees are good. I wonder if I can do a tree bush thing, like alternate between trees and bush. I think I can. Okay, so let me think here. So this can work, but let's try to alternate it so it's between bush. Let's make a definition. Okay, I think I can do this with just another and. So I'd be like, if this, and get position Y. Oh. What was that thing again? It was just like, for even, it's just like if this position divided by 2, or wait. It's this, right? So every other one, it'll be a bush. And then I do this. Tree. Yeah, okay. Let's try this out. Weird. Weird that it started there, but sure. I mean, the carrots are working perfectly, but this bush area isn't. Okay. Stop that for a second. Wait. I could just look this up. What was it? It was it the sensors? Where was it? I think it was sensors. No, it was trees. N divided by 2 is equal to 0. So this should be equal to 0. And this is not equal to 0. Okay. Yeah! Checkerboard trees? Oh, not quite. Damn it. I got them as strips. Arrgh, close. Okay, we're close. But that just means I just have to add another and. Right here. But switch this to X. Okay. I think this is it. Is even. Yeah. See? Now it goes diagonal. Okay, it's kind of working, but why is it not getting the other ones? Why is it only hitting them? Damn it. Did I put too many ands together and it's not working anymore? Also, hello, Zeph Davies. I mean, it's nice that I'm getting the tree. Okay. Let me think. stop this for a moment. It couldn't be as simple as switching these around, could it? See, my carrots are good. My carrots are good. Okay, it knows its side. You know what it is? It's I need 4 variables, is why. Because I need one of this. I need one of when it's equal to and when it's not equal to and what they're supposed to do. That's why it's only graphing those ones. That makes sense. Okay. That just means I make more elifs. This is just becoming one gigantic thing. It's not the best, but I think if I use more definitions and called them, it would be better, but it's getting late and I'm tired. Freak. What can I do? So for the time being... Yes. Carrots and bushes. Ah. I need this, but this needs to be behind an elif, which should be right here. Yes. Okay, so if the position is less and it's not equal to 0 and it's... Oh, I should have definitely put the bushes and the trees together. God, I'm so bad at, like, the organization here. Okay, give me a sec. I do blame it on, it being late. Let's see here. So, this is it. Oh no, I want the first one. Should be a bush. And then... this one to be a tree. And then... and then... right? Okay, let's see. I think... wait, what? Why did it make a line like that? Okay, so this first, I'm making way too many elifs. This is just becoming like a messy nonsense. Okay, so carrots is good. The bushes are not as good. I'm just gonna let this go and just think for a second. Or actually, it's because this last end is it's not as defined as well as the other ones. So I'm gonna kill them for now. Just so we have, like, this clean again. Because I think I just cluttered my own mind too much. Okay. Okay. These are for the less. I don't exactly know why it starts here, but after it gets going, it seems to work. Okay. Now they're just making bushes. Okay, so we need a... I'm trying to think now. How can I alternate between bush and tree? I'm just, cause like, it's gonna be definitely that, like, the definition thing, which I should do. I should just make the definition, but I'm trying to just brute force this real fast and then be done with it for the night. Cause I'm gonna pick this up again tomorrow, cause it's pretty fun. Yeah, see? Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. The opposite. Bush else tree. Like here, you're thinking, eh? Let me see. So if I can harvest it, and if the position is less than this, so this is the half that we're on, then it'll harvest, it'll plant a bush, then it'll move north. So we need to add that like little modulus-y guy here, eh? So it should be, and get position X, right? This. Because that should be where our spot is, which would be 0, 0. If I divide that by 2, or if I modulus it by that 2, right? 2, and then that should equal 0. That means this will be every even space. We'll plant a bush on the X. So I have to also take into account for the Y. Because this will be like... I think this will just make bands of it, right? Oh, interesting. It just straight up skipped it. What the hell? How did I get it working before? Alright, wait. Wait, pause it. Pause it. Because this was, I think this was my... This one was... Was this the one that was working before? When I had it with trees? No, this is just my half and half. How to get the trees in there? Oh, you know what the issue is? Stupid me. Stupid me. Right? Yeah. Okay. So now we need to merge this with an X and a Y now. So we're kind of back to where we were. I think I still need... I think I need just to add more. Because essentially I need to have this, and then I need to checkerboard it with another Y one. So like I need like... Functionally... Okay. I'm just gonna actually write it out. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. This is gonna be the Y version. Right. That's not what I wanted to do. No, this isn't good. Wait. So it needs to be able to check that if it's on this side first, which is checked, And then make sure is that its X position is this. Wait. I could just add the Y position here, right? Yeah. Right? And then... And then this should be... position X modulus 2 is not equal to 0. And position... get position Y is not equal 0. Right? I think. Yeah. I think. Oh. Ah. That was the issue. Okay. I think this is... if this gets checkerboard, I'll be pretty happy. Okay, we got a checkerboard, kinda. Kinda, but not quite. Okay. I just want it to be every other one. This is very doable. Now I'm thinking about it. I'm just doing it wrong. I'm just thinking... because like all I have to do is make it so it's like every other one when it's going up is alternative. I don't have to do what I'm doing. So we know it's on the right side, and X, Y. Wait, I bet I can make it even easier with... I don't know, let's... I think this will work. Let me see. It's close. This is better. I know what I could do. I can do this by fixing it by adding one thing. It's like I have to make it... okay, here we go. And get position of X modulus 2 is not equal to 0. Yes. So if I put this here, and then I put this here, I think this makes it better, hopefully. Hmm. Close. Man, this is a pretty fun game. Just trying to see. It's this little bit here, okay. It's this little bit that's also kinda it. I'm just trying to alternate. I bet it's so obvious and I'm just, like, not seeing it. Well, I am seeing it, I'm just trying to think about how to write it. Because I want the, like... I could hard code it. I think it has... Oh, golly. It's getting so late that it's hard for me to think. I'm like, This is kind of nice, though. I like that this is kind of working. I don't want to do... The thing is, I could brute force it by adding 2 more LFs and being like XY, but that... It feels... It's like, it's just too big. I know there's another way. I'm just trying to think of how to do it. Thinking. It's basically, I'm trying to think about how can I shift the middle one, because like the 0th, like, row or column, like I just need that middle column, or like every alternate column to be just shifted by 1. Here's an idea. Okay. So I'm gonna get this. Okay, so if my thinking is correct, and if I do this, like, twice... Will this get the diagonals that I ever so desire? Maybe I should throw an OR in here somewhere. Okay. Okay. Not if. And then... maybe? It's still on the diagonals, though. Okay, so I just have to do this right. Okay. So if the position is less than, and this is even on the Y and the X, this is odd on the Y, odd on the X, okay. This is even on the Y. This should not. This should be odd on the Y. Odd here. And thus this should be even. And this should be even, right? Okay, so we do got those bushes on the diagonal. That's good. It's only the bushes, though. I see what the issue is. Okay. I think this might fix it. It's looking very good. This is looking very good. Almost there. Oh, no, that's not what I wanted. Why is it not hitting these guys now? Okay, so for some reason it's not hitting these ones, and I don't know why. I would like to get this before I'm done, because this is actually kind of fun, and I feel like I'm close. Yes! Yes, I did it! Alternating trees and bushes! Oh, does it harvest now? Oh, it harvests! Yes, yes! We did it! I did have to kind of brute force it, but you know, woo! We got it working. Look at alternating trees, alternating bushes, they harvest. Oh, and we got carrots. Wow, what a great spot to wrap it up. That's amazing. I would like to save. Save. Oh, awesome. Look at that go. Alternating trees. That's great. That's great. Oh, I think this is a perfect time to wrap it up for today. Well, we got our tree to be half and half alternating, which is pretty great. I think I want to get some definitions and stuff so I can, like, you know, shrink this down so the functions are all put together and stuff. But how cool is this game? Huh? Actual programming. We got a few of our little programs here on the sides, too. Beautiful. All right, well, that's it for today. Look at it go. Oh, I'm so happy about that. It's so fun just to watch it go. But anywho, that brings us to the end of the stream today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for more dance stream. Wow. Good night. Oh, I'm invigorated, actually. Like, that actually kind of woke me up versus being more tired. Good night. Good night. Waving equals true. Thank yous equal good night. Boop boop ba doo 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 doo. Good night. 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 Good night.